Hey folks, Country Prepper here. So I was checking my Instagram and I got a message from Smokin Locust, and he had tagged me to do an on-the-spot EDC pocket dump. So here we go. Alright, I got a really bad sun glare, so hopefully you guys don't miss anything. I'm going to skip my sunglasses because it's really bright out. But other than that, you know, just basic. Got the keys with my Through Night TO1 flashlight on there. I have, let's see, this is my Schrade SC Pen 4. This is the one that has the ferro rod striker and the whistle on it. I guess that has a glass breaker on it too. There's the other half of my keys that has a little S-binder on there. This is the little coin tool for one of my vaporizers for my Kangertech knee box. And I have a little monkey fist on there. Oh, and the Leatherman bruiser, of course, even though I don't drink. Then I have my little Gerber dime multi-tool up with the camera here. And I actually just got done using that to make a little impromptu washer for my tripod here, because I lost a washer on my camera mount. So, just got done using that. Next up, I am testing out a new flashlight. This is the A-Tactical A1S. I've seen a lot of really great reviews on it, so I wanted to check it out. This one is, I think, 1100 or maybe 1150 lumens for 30 bucks. So, really excited to see just what that thing is capable of. So, I've been EDCing that for a while. Next up, even though I don't smoke, I do have a lighter on me, because you just never know when you need fire. Let's see. I'm not going to take this off of my belt, but I am EDCing my SEMA 1 survival knife. Fixed blade here, and I got that on a cross-draw sheath on my belt. Next up, I am not carrying a spare mag, but I do, of course, have my Smith & Wesson shield with me. What else? Let's see. Well, I got my wallet. Let's see. This is my, I'll show you the $2 bill. I keep a $2 bill on it just for shits and giggles. My Trayvax, I think it's called the Summit. A little minimalist wallet here. And what else do I have? Bandana. And, I'm not going to take this off my neck either, but my neck knife is my Schrade SEH F13SM. So, I think, check all of my pockets here. Oh, and then my pocket vape. This is my, let's see, E-Leaf iCare Mini. That's what it's called. So that is what I've been using for vaping here lately. Just for keeping in my pocket when I'm on the go. So that is my EDC on-the-spot pocket dump, guys. So there you go, guys. Wasn't that fun? So anyhow, I will leave a link to Smokin Locust, leave a link to his channel in the description box below, and a link to the video where he tagged me. And I believe that tag originated from Brian over at Cape Fear Outdoors and Survival. So I'll look that up, and you might see a link to his video or his channel in the description box as well. And so what I'm doing is I'm out here at the Middle River Forest area, and I'm going to give you guys kind of a little tour and I shot some video of me driving out here giving directions and things like that. So that video will take longer for me to edit, so you'll see this one first, and then I'll get this that video up later in the week. So stay tuned for that. That's about it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.